Now these are total costs, $36,000. All right, $36,240. That's our total cost for every single thing we're going to spend here. Now, if you look at this place, there's no we've not signed any cost for the tiler and the painter. Do you understand? Nothing. It was assigned to them. Okay. So this is our total cost. This is our baseline is 0. Our variance is the same as our total cost. Our remaining is the same as our total cost because we've not assigned. The project has not begun yet. That is why everything is still on 0. Everything is the baseline is still on 0. The actuals is still on 0. All right. Only the remaining, the remaining is still the same as the total cost. All right. So we're going back to our entry, okay, and we're going to assign the different material to the individual. Okay. In our last video, we look at, for instance, now let's say architect. Now the question all of us were asking, or you might want to ask, is why is an architect earning 6,400? All right, don't forget the standard time for any project is 8 hours. Looking at this, but you can actually change it to more than 8 hours. You can add more hours to it. So right, we didn't set up our calendar, so we're just setting up the project plan. We didn't touch our calendar. All right, but for the standard working time is what, 8 hours. 8 hours. Okay. So now, for you to get this is 6,400.